Hi there, this is Christy, and I want to talk about Pinterest because it has really been a game changer for me, especially when I learned how to do video pins with Canva. And as you can see, going down into my account, this is a fairly recent video pin that I made last week with Canva, and some of them with music. As you can see, these are very popular. It's had 2,200 views. This one's had 3,700 views. And I've even got one that's hit uh, 10,000 views. But that one's been up here for probably a couple of years, but suddenly they begin to really take off. This one, 6,100 views. This one, 4,100 views, and these are new. These are fairly new. This one's probably a couple months old. This one is probably 1 week old, and it has 3,500 views. The ones you want to pay attention to when you do these are the ones that are saved. Okay, because otherwise it's a vanity metric, meaning it's just impressions or views, and what really matters are that people are saving, clicking, and going to your website, and then eventually you're making sales from these. So you want to just experiment with video on Pinterest. And if you're interested in learning how to do that, I'll have some links below this video. Actually have a webinar with another marketer, Becky Beach, and I did a webinar. And we both talked about how this is working for us. And I also have a course available where a workshop where I tell you how to do more of this and have some pins already done for you if that's the route you want to take. So let's just take a quick look. I want you to see one with music. And in the course, one of the bonuses is how to make a video pin and add music to it and motion so that it really pops inside of Pinterest, because Pinterest is full of images. So you want to be sure that you are standing out, excuse me, in the ocean of Pinterest. So here's one right here. And as you can see, it stands out because of the colors. And I mean, I love pastels. Let's see another one with music. Some of these are from other people's boards. This is mine. It's not a video pin. But as you can see, this particular niche gets lots and lots of engagement. Engagement means views. Views mean subscribers, and a certain amount of those subscribers will turn into sales. Here's one that's doing really well, 14,000. I published this probably 10 days ago. It has been favorited by 5. This is a winner right here. 5 people have saved it onto their board. And I mean, I just love the music. Again, if you'd like to do that, click the link below, and it comes as a bonus inside of some other great Pinterest training. So I hope that's of help to you to see what is working right now inside of Pinterest to bring me more subscribers and views and a certain percentage of sales. Okay, this is Christy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.